In today's video, I show you how to freeze rows in Zoho Sheet. This feature is incredibly useful when you're working with large spreadsheets because it keeps important rows visible even as you scroll. Most people use this to keep header labels in view, but you can freeze any row you need for better navigation. Let's start with the easiest and most common option, freezing the first row. Go to the menu bar at the top, select the View option and place your cursor over the Freeze section. From there, choose the option labeled Row 1. Now, that top row will stay locked in place while you scroll down, which helps you keep track of the data beneath it. If you want to freeze more than just the first row, you can freeze up to a specific position. Simply click on the cell that sits directly below the last row you want to keep visible. For example, if you want rows 1 through 3 to stay frozen, click any cell in row 4. Then return to the View menu, select Freeze, and choose the option that freezes everything up to the selected row. This gives you more control and allows you to keep multiple rows visible at all times. Zoho Sheet also gives you the option to freeze a specific range when you need even more precision. Start by selecting the exact range of rows you want to lock in place. Once the range is highlighted, go back to the View menu, select Freeze, and choose the option that applies the freeze to the selected range. This ensures only the rows you choose remain fixed while the rest of your spreadsheet scrolls normally. Freezing rows is a small adjustment, but it makes a big difference when you're working with extensive data. It helps keep your headers, labels, or important information front and center at all times, creating a smoother and more efficient workflow. Give it a try and enjoy easier navigation in your next Zoho Sheet project.